Imagine this. This is the first time you are having a pet cat and it's in labor. During the process, you happen to look somewhere else, and when you look back at the cat, it is eating its own babies. So why does such thing happen? In human society, cannibalism is a taboo, but in the animal kingdom, it's actually a normal occurrence. So we humans need to know as to why such thing happens, to prevent it from happening when it's needed and when we can. My sister and I have been fascinated with the animal kingdom since we were young. And for this speech, I have done several research based on several websites, such as the National Geographic and The Week. So for today, we are going to look at how and why cannibalism happened in animal kingdom, which I classified into nature's way of life, deathly love, survival of the fittest, and fatal family bonds. So let's get started. First and foremost, we have nature's way of life. What do I mean by this? When something affects the mother nature, that also affect the animal's food chain, things will drastically change in order for this animal to survive. For example, polar bears. In an article written by Kana from the website Indian Times, it is said that climate change has driven polar bears to become cannibal. This is because their ice cream that they use to hunt their main prey, which are the seals, are melting. So not only their habitat are being destroyed, they also are running out of food resources. So in order to survive, they have to become cannibals. They actually already have these cannibalistic traits, but it is not shown before because they already have enough food resources back then. So eating your same species is not as extreme eating your own mating partner. Next, we have cannibalism that happens during or after mating. This usually happens in the group of spiders, and is usually female who ate the male. For example, in an article written by Young from the website National Geographic, it said that female redback spiders ate their male redback spiders. So actually, male can escape this act, but most of the time they just accept their fate and just proceed to give more sperms to the female. Then this female will store the sperms in two of her organs and will fertilize them when she wanted to. Certainly, it's not only spiders that are cannibals. Praying mantis also ate their partner. Based on an article written by David, research suggested that based on the species of praying mantis that show sexual cannibalism, 28% of them are male who are eaten by the female. So, the role of the males in mating is giving sperms and also providing nutrients for the female. Let's take it a notch, shall we? Instead of eating your loved ones, imagine eating your own siblings. So what I have next is survival of the fittest, or what I call sibling rivalry. So this happens between siblings. Is usually the stronger and the bigger one eating the weaker and smaller one, in order to gain nutrients and also survive against other predators. For example, we have sand tiger shark. Sand tiger shark in their mother oviducts will eat their unborn or smaller siblings in order to gain nutrients for them. So not only they manage to gain nutrients, but they also can develop predators instinct. So when they went out from their mother's oviduct, they will become natural predators. Same goes to spade-foot tadpoles. So these tadpoles will eat their younger siblings in order to survive, because they are living in a small puddle and they are very vulnerable to other predators. So in order to survive, they eat their younger siblings to grow as fast as possible and become mature and get out of the puddle. Lastly, we have fatal family bonds. Family is a bit general here, so I'm going to break it down to mother. So mother eat their babies in certain conditions. For example, we have hamster and rabbit. When their newborn baby are tainted with our smell, which are human scents, they will assume that is the food. Because imagine, hamster and rabbit, they are already tired after giving birth and they are lacking of nutrients. So if they can't recognize their own baby's scents and thought that your scent is actually foods, they will eat their babies. So to avoid this, as suggested by an article written by Gayomali in 2013 from the website The Week. Make sure that you do not touch your newborn hamster baby or rabbit babies, and make sure that the mother is well fed during and after giving birth. Actually, there's also a wildlife case written by Morel on National Geographic website in 2014. It said that Kali the straw bat actually ate 2 of her 3 cubs because the staff found out that the last rescue cub actually have flu and won't survive. So Kali, thinking that her children will not survive, she will eat them as free food and gain nutrients from them. So that, ladies and gentlemen, is cannibalism in animal kingdom. So today we have learned about why cannibalism happens in animal kingdom, which are nature's way of life, deathly love, survival of the fittest, and fatal family bonds. So next time, if you see any pet cat or any animals that are being cannibals, you can identify why such thing happens, and you can prevent it from happening when it's needed and when we can. So there's a lot of things that we can discover about these weird animals. So let us venture more into this wild and weird life of the animals. This is Gigi, roar out.